Hello and welcome back guys to our YouTube channel Technical Seal. Today we are with our next video and new video. If you are new in the channel, go to the channel, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will never miss update from Technical Seal. We bring you such kind of video related to the computer. So today we are going to show you how to download GTA Vice City. How to download GTA Vice City only in 289 MB, and it works in 500 MB RAM, 1 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM, in any RAM. So let's start the video. To download GTA Vice City, open Chrome and go to the Google and search TN space Hindi. I've given you the link in the description. You can also directly go from there. Go to the TN Hindi, wait for some time. So click on the first option. After clicking it opens a new page. Wait for some time. TN Hindi. Go and type here TN Hindi and press OK, and it has been opened guys. After it has been opened, at the right top menu you can see the search option bar. Click on the search option bar and type GTA Vice City Compress. Type GTA Vice City COMPRESSLE and search. After searching it will provide you a result called GTA Vice City Compress. Click on the first option. GTA Vice City Download Compressed. Then it will open such type of page. Scroll down and here is the download option. You can download directly from here. I have downloaded this file. Download this software, and after downloading this software, go to the location where it has been downloaded. Look, GTA Vice City Modified. Look guys, GTA Vice City Modified. Go to the location, download GTA Modified. After downloading that application, it will show like this type of application. Press enter. Press enter, wait for some time. It will open guys. It is going to be open. Okay, click on the yes. When it comes, click on the yes. After clicking the yes option, it will open such time of bar. Then click on the install. Then it will show this type of yes. Then you can do yes or yes to all. After it will installation process is going on. Wait for some time. It takes some time to be installed. I'll show you guys. Right click, click on the properties. Look guys, this is only 262 MB. You can download GTA Vice City full version on only 262 MB. I've shown you the property also. Wait for some time to be completed. It takes some time to complete. The installation process is going on. Guys, you can also check out our next channel called Gaming with DR. Gaming with DR. We upload gaming video on that channel and computer related video in this channel. So get subscribed to that channel and subscribe this channel for the next interesting videos. Guys, the installation process has been completed. After installation process has been completed, click on the finish and it will show you 2 GTA Vice City on your desktop. You can open any of them. So guys, how do you like this video? Like, subscribe and share this video to all the friends and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.